Here are the 5 things I wish I knew sooner when beginning in affiliate marketing, which is the industry term for selling other people's products by promoting them on your social media and earning a commission each time one is sold. Save this video or DM it to yourself so you can go back and look through the things when you're ready. Number 1, don't be intimidated by everybody already knowing what affiliate marketing is, or it seems like everybody's doing it. It does seem like it's a saturated market, but there are thousands of products that you can promote and tons of companies that are looking for affiliate marketers to market their products. If you're not sure what type of product that you want to market, you can go to clickbank.com, sign up for free, and look through all of the products they have. Or if you have a product already in mind, something that you use or you love or you talk about all the time with your friends anyway, go to Google, type in the company or the product name and affiliate offers, and it's bound to pop up. Number 2, as you get started, you will notice there are a lot of people and a variety of people who are using affiliate marketing to create passive income. Here's why that's a good thing. There's representation. Anyone can do this. You can be a beginner. You need no experience. And you can get so many ideas and inspiration from other creators. Imitation really is the biggest form of flattery, so go ahead and look through other people's content. It doesn't make you lazy or less than. Number 3, if you're just starting out on TikTok and you create a separate account, if you're using it as a business account, then you can have a link in your bio. If it's a personal account, you cannot have a link in your bio until you reach 1,000 followers. The problem with having a business account, however, is that you are not privileged to all of the trending audios, and that does really help to generate traffic to your site. I suggest creating a personal account so you can use all the audio, and once you get to 1,000 creators, then you can link your website in your bio. Personally, it took me about 2 weeks to get 1,000 followers, but I've heard of people only taking 4 days to get up to 1,000. Number 4, TikTok has an option under analytics to tell you when the best time to post your content is that will generate the most traffic to your site. First, you're going to go to those 3 little lines at the top right of your screen. You'll select Creator Tools at the bottom and then click on Analytics right up here. Then you're going to select Followers up at the top. And then when you scroll down, you'll see what the best time to post is. And for me, it's 10 p.m. The 5th and final thing is to invest in yourself. Invest in a good training. Take all the support. It is important that you learn. It's a marathon, not a sprint. I linked a video to the training program that I used in my bio. I think it's the best. Like and follow for more tips. And if you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments.